Hey everyone, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Ooh, I just noticed my cool tee matches my Louis Vuitton Capucines BB. That's so cool. I am here today with a quick unboxing. It really is quick. It has to be quick. I'm not gonna lie, this was an impulse buy. And quite frankly, I don't know if I'm going to keep it, to not return, to return to maybe exchange, because I was looking for something, like I was looking for this item in a different collection, shall we say, and I ended up buying this one instead. I can't exactly remember why, but nevertheless, let's unbox. In the title, you can see that this unboxing comes from the fabulous FASHIONPHILE. I am indeed a FASHIONPHILE blogger and have been for, how many years now? Probably at least 4 years. 3 or 4 years I've been a FASHIONPHILE blogger. I have had the fantastic opportunity to be flown over there to California. Shout out to California. Shout out to San Diego, where the Carlsbad San Diego headquarters is for FASHIONPHILE. They are the leader in their field of consignment simply because of the caliber of their stock. Yes, I'm a blogger for them, but I'm an advocate for them first and was a customer first. And everybody who's followed me for a while knows that I'm just not having a yarn and telling you they're fantastic because you get paid to or anything. I'm telling you because it's true. To consign with them, to buy with them, you get your FASHIONPHILE confetti. Oh girl, I've never thrown it. It confettis really well. It used to be streamers, now it's dots. Yes, the dots work, girl, they work. Woo. So of course, I've done a lot of unboxings. Here is your proof of purchase and return in this envelope. A beautiful thank you card, fantastic item down inside here. So, what did I impulse buy from FASHIONPHILE? Well, let's go ahead and show you. It came with box authenticity card and dust bag. Here's the FASHIONPHILE dust bag. Sorry, I just did a quick edit because I want to pull it out of the bag. Here are the cards, so all of the care booklets came with it as well. Here is the dust bag it came with. Here are your FASHIONPHILE tags that once you remove your consignment is done and it's yours. And the little item that I grabbed was the mini O case in the camellia print. In this beautiful, I would say this is like a salmon peach. Yeah, it's definitely peachy, that's for sure. It's very, like it's got a real yellow undertone, a real kind of warm undertone, but definitely yellow. It's not throwing any kind of like pink vibes. It's very peachy with silver tone hardware. This is the mini O case. Huge shout out to my gorgeous Maria. Hi babe. She just picked up from the boutique the card case in this, the flat card case in this camellia print. And I saw it on one of her vlogs and I was just like, I don't have any camellia embossed items and it's very beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that color. It's so beautiful. However, what I was on the site browsing for was the new spring summer SS, like the new 19SS chevron in the matte pink. I think that matte pink is just divine. And I don't know what happened. I was following a few items because you can love, heart and follow on their site. And I was following a few of the mini O cases in that chevron pink and they sell so quickly. And I don't know, I went back and had a look, they had sold, and then I saw this, I was like, oh, this will do, like, this is gorgeous too. I can just add this to my collection, and I went with this. It is beautiful. It is so beautiful. Maybe I'll just keep it and then also get a chevron. I just think the matte pink of the chevron from the spring summer is really pretty, and I'm sure Ellen is sitting there at home from Chanel in the city going, we had those in stock, Jerusha. Listen, as I said in my pink iridescent haul, you go crazy after the fact. So the cool thing about this collection is that they have the embossed camellia flower print inside as the lining. How cool is that? And this one is kind of like a goldy, orangey, peach color, very like, I don't know, kind of reminds me of like 50s old Hollywood kind of color down inside there. It's so beautiful. So this item was made in Italy. There is the authenticity card, came with bag, box, authenticity. It came with full set, you know, without ribbons and whatnot. So there's the inside. These are fantastic, okay? If you are looking for a catch-all that isn't too cumbersome, like see how flat this is, and down inside mini bags, these pack a lot because they're pliable and they stretch out, but down inside mini bags, these are so great. And I originally sort of wanted one to go inside this classic flap because I'm using it. I know, what the hell. But yeah, so this is my quick unboxing from Fashionphile. My light's going to be throwing it out, sorry. But this is my quick unboxing from Fashionphile. You got the beautiful CC detail there on the zipper pull. Up here at the top has the little CC logo and your leather zipper pull there. I'll have to keep you updated if I decide to cut these tags off and keep it. I know it is really beautiful, and it's more of a nude kind of peach, whereas the pink is a real pink, the chevron matte. But it's beautiful nonetheless. It is so beautiful. It really is, and it's silver hardware. That's quite fresh. So what do you guys think? Should I keep it? Do you like the chevron from the 19SS? Let me know in the comments below. I would really like your opinion on this, guys. Let me know. So guys, that completes my unboxing. As I said, which really took off, if you are a silent watcher out there, and that's cool, trust me, I love being a silent watcher myself sometimes. I don't subscribe. I hit the like button sometimes, or I just watch the video and click out, and that's totally cool. But if you are a continuous silent watcher out there, hit the like button to let me know if you're a silent watcher. Let's see. Hit the like button, and please consider subscribing. I'm almost at 100K. Please consider subscribing if you're a silent watcher. I know you guys are out there. I am. I can absolutely vouch for it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.